conclusion, the study, a real-time inventory management and stock tracking system for Milktea shops, demonstrates the initial role of modern technology in improving operational efficiency in small-scale food and beverage businesses. The proposed system effectively addresses the challenges in manual inventory management, such as inaccuracies, time consumption, and stock discrepancies by introducing real-time tracking and automated monitoring.
Recommendation: Mobile application development. Develop a mobile application for convenience inventory management on smartphone and tablets. Number 2. Integration with point-of-sale system. Seamlessly integrate the system with existing point-of-sale system for real-time data, synchronize and enhance accuracy. Number 3. Implementation of predictive analytics. Incorporated predictive analytics for forecast demand based on historical data and seasonal trends, preventing overstocking or shortage.
The purpose of her business is manually tracking often leads to errors, stockouts, and overstockings, negatively affecting the business financial and operational performance, ensuring the real-time inventory updates and seamless stock management. The target audience is the business owner is in Haclopan, Talisay City, Cebu, who needs to monitor stocks levels and also generate purchase recommendations. In schema of implementation, the real-time inventory management and stock tracking system for her Milktea shop follows a structured approach to ensure effective deployment and adoption. It followed by the development of the system with the features such as a real-time inventory tracking, POS integration, and automated reporting to ensure the accuracy and reliability.
So, hello everyone, I'm from Group 5 and I am going to present the video presentation of our system, which is the inventory management system for Milktea shop. So first, let's run the file. Click run file, and let's just wait. So here we go. We are directed to the login page. So if you don't have account, just click the sign up button. So click the sign up one. So then we are directed to the sign up form. So we have to fill those fields inside the sign up form. So first it says username. So since we're using Milktea shop for our inventory management system, so I'm gonna put Milktea. Then the password must be private, so I'm gonna put mine. So after creating, just select the create account. So it says account created successfully, then direct to the login button. So you're going to be directed again to the login page. So just input the data you have put in the sign up form. So Milktea, then the password. So let's log in. Now we are directed into the main dashboard. So we have three types of category: the view inventory, the update stocks, and generate reports. So let's click the inventory. So now we are headed to our main system, which is the inventory monitoring and the stock monitoring. So we have to demonstrate this further, we have to input those values or data inside the table. So first, for example, 1001 must be the item ID. Then I must say matcha, and then the category must be flavor. Then the quantity must be 10 and the price is 100. So I'm gonna add. So it says item added to the inventory successfully. So let's create more values, or let's add more data. So let's click reset button. So add more data. So let's say 1002. Then item name must be ube. And then category must be, again, it's flavor, and 100 and 1000. So just add the add item, click the add button, and then let's add one more, 1003 mango, and category again must flavor, and quantity is 1000, and 10,000 must be the price. So add item. So as you can see, I have input the wrong value for the price, so it says 10,000 sat. So to correct this, you have to click the table which is had the wrong value, so just erase that and click update button. So now it's fixed now. So the item has already been added to the inventory, so we have to make sure that the item we put or stored in the inventory, that it is credited to the inventory truly. So to test that, we have to input the item ID itself, because the item ID is unique, so we have to input that. So let's say 101 for the first item that we have entered. So click enter. So as you can see, it was added to the stock monitoring, so the value or the item that we added to the inventory is truly been credited. So let's add more, 102, enter. So 102. So as you can see, the item has already been stored truly to the table or to the database. So after that, we have to click the generate reports. So the generate reports button is responsible for stock monitoring, so it must say that it must be stockouts or overstocking, and also forecasting if it needs to be restock or no, or it must be sufficient already. Okay, let's check. So as you can see, the item ID has been stored, also the item name and the stock, and also the stock status, turnover rate, and the forecast. So since the stock for matcha is 10, so stock status is low, and also the forecast must be restock needed because low. And OB is 100, stock status is normal, and the turnover is 8.43. So since it's normal, it's also need to be restocked. But the mango case is 1000 is a stock, and the stock status is overstock because it's 1000, so it must be overstock. And a forecast, it's sufficient. So that's the running system of our inventory management system. And also there's another thing to check, if our values that we added to the inventory must be stored to the database. So let's check. So first thing first, we must go to the localhost. So as you can see, the matcha flavor and the ube mango is already added to the database successfully. So that's our running system. Thank you.